Hello students. In the last class we studied about weather. Today we will study about climate and the difference between weather and climate. So let's start. We saw in the previous session that there is a difference in the time of sunrise and sunset in different seasons. So, in summer, the sun rises earlier in the morning and the sun sets late in the evening during the month of June, while sun rises late and sets early in the month of December, which is winter. So, can you guess the effect of it? The effect is that the days are longer and night shorter in summers, while day is shorter and night is longer during winter. Now let us understand what is the meaning of climate. The average weather pattern taken over a long time is called the climate of that place. So different places in the world have different types of climate. The annual record of long-term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place is called climate chart. In the previous session, we saw that the weather keeps on changing daily. For example, today it might be sunny, but tomorrow it might be rainy. But climate is different from the weather. Climate is an average taken over a period of around 25 years. So if someone asks you in general that what is the climate of Ahmedabad? So you will say that it is generally hot. Note that the weather in winter season in Ahmedabad may be cold, but the climate is the average of the whole year. So the climate of Ahmedabad is generally hot. The climate chart gives an idea about the climate at a particular place during the specific period of the year. The major factor which determines the climate of a place is called latitude. You must have studied in your social studies class that latitude is nothing but an imaginary line which is drawn on the earth. The middle line is called 0 degree line and it is also called equator. The temperature generally remains highest in the equatorial region. As you go towards the pole, the climate becomes colder. Now let us see the factors which determine the climate. So first is distance from the sea. Climate of a place varies according to the closeness of the sea. The places that are near the sea are moderate, which is not too hot nor too cold. Example Mumbai or Chennai. While the places that are away from the sea have extreme climate, having very hot summer or too cold winter. For example, Delhi. The next factor is altitude. Altitude is nothing but height above sea level. Climate also varies according to the altitude. The higher altitudes are cooler. For example, if you visit a hill station, it is cooler. And you know about Himalayas, it is very cold. Another factor is humidity. It also determines the climate of a place. For example, Kolkata and Kerala have high humidity, while Rajasthan and Haryana have low humidity. India experiences many kinds of climate. For example, the northern region of Himalayas has cold and moderately wet climate. For example, Kashmir. Plains has a moderately hot and wet climate. Example, Uttar Pradesh. After that, South has very hot and wet climate. Example, Kerala. The western region has hot and dry climate, for example Rajasthan. Northeastern India has wet climate, for example Assam, and receives rain for a major part of the year. Now let us see what is the meaning of adaptation. The ability of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chances of its survival in the environment in which they live is known as adaptation. Animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. In other words, an adaptation is a trait of an organism that has been favored by natural selection. We will study about adaptation in our next session. Today we studied about climate and the difference between weather and climate. After that, we studied about the factors which affect the climate. We also studied about different types of climate in India. Your homework today is to read the book thoroughly. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.